Wood is a precious resource, and harvesting it properly is an art. Join LumberPro to discover the technology, techniques, and interesting stories behind each tree. When climbing steep slopes, log trucks face the risk of losing momentum or sliding backward if the road is too slippery. The driver must stay in a low gear to maintain traction and carefully control the throttle to prevent the wheels from spinning in place. On steep inclines, trucks may need to ascend in a zigzag pattern instead of going straight up, reducing the effective slope and improving grip. If the incline is too steep or the soil is too soft, a bulldozer or another truck may need to push from behind for assistance. In some cases, the driver might have to reduce the load, making multiple smaller trips to ensure safety. If the truck starts sliding backward, emergency brakes and wheel chocks made of wood or rocks can help prevent a dangerous descent. When log trucks travel through forest roads during the rainy season, the road surface becomes muddy and slippery. The wheels can sink deep into thick mud, causing the truck to lose traction. Sometimes, the wheels spin without moving forward, forcing the driver to use a winch or seek help from a bulldozer to escape the mud pit. Deep mud sections often have ruts formed by previous trucks, making it difficult for following vehicles to stay on track. The driver must constantly adjust the steering wheel to maintain balance and avoid slipping sideways. If the mud is too thick, reducing tire pressure or using chain tires can improve grip. On dangerous curves, logging trucks require extra space to maneuver. If the road is too narrow, a clearing vehicle or reversing may be needed to adjust the turning angle. Some trucks are equipped with hydraulic steering assistance to make handling easier on rough terrain. The logs, after being transported from the forest to the sawmill, still retain their rough, rugged exterior, bearing the marks of time and nature. The sap is still fresh, the bark cracked, and the surface uneven from where branches were cut off. Yet, beneath this coarse outer layer lies precious grain patterns, waiting to be revealed and transformed into a brand new form. As the rough logs enter the sawmill, sharp blades begin their task of stripping away their aged outer layer. The high-pitched whirring of the saw echoes through the air, slicing through the wood layer by layer, revealing the smooth core within. With chips fly in all directions, and the fresh scent of timber fills the workshop, marking the transformation of raw logs into neatly cut planks. As the log is placed on the conveyor belt, the sharp saw blade spins at high speed. The piercing sound of metal slicing through it fills the air, tearing through layers to reveal the core within. Sawdust flies in all directions, covering the floor in a fine golden layer. Each cut requires absolute precision. Even a slight misalignment can cause the plank to warp, bend, or crack. From rugged tree trunks in the wild forest, the wood has now donned a completely new appearance. It may become warm flooring, sturdy furniture, or elegant doors. The journey from a raw log to a finished product is a testament to human craftsmanship and the hidden beauty within every grain of wood. The chainsaw has a compact yet powerful design, with a gasoline or electric engine encased in a durable plastic housing, usually in orange or red. The sturdy handle is covered with a non-slip rubber grip, allowing the operator to hold it securely even while wearing gloves. The chainsaw blade consists of a long metal guide bar with a sharp-toothed chain wrapped around it. When the engine runs, the chain spins at high speed, cutting through it effortlessly. An automatic lubrication system reduces friction and extends the lifespan of the blade. The operator grips the handle firmly, gently pressing the throttle to adjust the cutting speed. As the blade makes contact with the tree trunk, the chain starts slicing through, sending sawdust flying. The machine vibrates slightly with each cut, but the anti-vibration system helps maintain control. As the chainsaw operates, the operator maintains a steady stance, positioning the blade at the base of the tree at the right angle. The fast-spinning chain cuts through the bark first, then gradually moves deeper into the solid wood. A screeching sound emerges as the blade encounters dense wood, but the chainsaw continues working without hesitation. Once the cut is deep enough, the operator adjusts the cutting direction to control the fall of the tree. Finally, the trunk splits and crashes to the ground with a loud boom.
I'd say that was successful. Nice job, Logan.
The chainsaw is an essential tool in the logging industry, offering flexibility and power. It enables fast tree cutting, efficient wood processing, and high productivity. However, for safe operation, users must wear proper protective gear and follow safety guidelines. The wood planer machine starts up, its sharp blades spinning at high speed. As the log is fed in, the rough bark is gradually stripped away, revealing the smooth wood inside. The machine works tirelessly, ensuring that each log that passes through comes out polished and refined. The planer's blades operate with extreme precision, carefully shaving off excess layers of wood. As they make contact with the log, a sharp rasping sound echoes, signaling the creation of a smooth wooden surface. Meanwhile, fine wood shavings scatter around, covering the sawmill floor. With an automated system, the planer can process multiple logs continuously without stopping. Simply placing the wood onto the conveyor belt allows the machine to automatically feed it into the blades, stripping away the outer bark and smoothing the surface at an impressive speed. This enhances productivity and minimizes manual labor. The planer not only speeds up the workflow, but also ensures safety for workers. Instead of manually scraping bark or smoothing wood, workers can now operate the machine remotely, reducing the risk of injury from sharp blades. Built-in safety systems help protect operators from unexpected accidents. In logging areas, circular saw machines roar as they prepare to take down massive trees in seconds. Their razor-sharp blades spin at thousands of revolutions per minute, slicing deep into the trunk with precision. The sound of cracking wood blends with the engine's roar, forming a powerful symphony of human ingenuity and nature. Once a tree is felled, the next step is limb trimming to refine the log into a clean material. Mechanical arms equipped with smaller saw blades swiftly remove excess branches, cutting each knot with precision. Hydraulic systems allow these robotic arms to move flexibly, trimming at a speed far beyond human capability. Within minutes, the tree is stripped down and ready for the next stage. Long tree trunks cannot be transported as they are, so they must be segmented into standard sizes. Segmentation machines use precise measurement systems to cut logs into pieces suited for specific purposes. Massive circular saw blades spin rapidly, slicing through it effortlessly like a knife through butter, leaving behind clean, sharp cuts. Each section log is neatly stacked, ready for further processing. In the past, workers had to use axes and handsaws to fell trees, trim branches, and segment logs, an exhausting and hazardous task. However, with technological advancements, modern machines not only boost productivity, but also enhance worker safety. Automated sensors, remote control systems, and intelligent designs minimize risks, making logging more precise and efficient than ever before. Thanks to tree-cutting machines, the logging process has become faster and more efficient. From massive forest trees to neatly processed logs, each stage of cutting, trimming, and segmenting prepares the wood for manufacturing into useful products. Technology not only enables faster work, but also optimizes wood resources, reducing waste and maximizing the value of every tree harvested. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next adventure. See you soon.